Want to share an awesome YouTube video with your friends on Telegram but not quite sure how? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to copy a YouTube video link and send it directly to any chat in Telegram. Whether you're sharing the latest viral clip, a hilarious meme, or an important tutorial, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it in less than a minute. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's start with YouTube. Find the video you want to share. It could be something you just watched, a favorite music video, or maybe a helpful how-to you want your friends to see. Once you're on the video's page, look for the share button. If you're on your phone, you'll typically see the share option right below the video itself. Just tap that. If you're using your computer, you might need to right-click on the video or find the share button underneath. Don't worry, the goal is the same. Pick the copy link option. What this does is copies the direct link to that video onto your device's clipboard, sort of like when you copy text from an article or a line from a recipe. This is an important step because it's what lets you share the exact video you're watching with someone else and not just tell them about it. Give yourself a moment. Sometimes it helps to double-check you've copied the link before moving on. Next, open up the Telegram app. It could be on your phone, computer, or even the web. It all works the same way. Now choose the chat where you want to send the video. Maybe you're sharing a song with your family group or sending a funny clip to a close friend. Telegram organizes your chats in a list, kind of like folders or messages in other messaging apps. Just tap or click into the right conversation. Don't worry if you have to scroll a bit to find it. Take your time. It's all about making sure the video ends up with the right person or group. Now for the easy part, pasting and sending the link. With your chat open, tap into the message box just like you would if you were sending a regular text. Then paste the link you copied from YouTube. On most phones and computers, that means pressing and holding in the box and choosing Paste, or just right-clicking and selecting Paste. You'll see the YouTube link appear in the message area. This is a good moment to make sure it looks right. The link should start with YouTube.com or YouTube. Now go ahead and hit send. In just a second, your message with the video link will appear in your chat. Most of the time, Telegram will even generate a preview image or title of the video automatically, making it easy for your friends to see what you're sharing without even leaving the app. And that's it. You've just shared a YouTube video on Telegram in 3 simple steps. Remember, it might feel like a lot the first couple of times, but soon it'll be second nature, like passing a note to a friend during class, but way faster and easier. If you ever get stuck, don't worry. You can always come back to this video for a quick refresher or leave a question in the comments and I'll help you out. If this tutorial helped you out today, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other tech questions you'd like answered next. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow how-tos just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.